Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a horrible grinding noise from the blades of your TM31, it could be due to wear and tear on the blade assembly or an issue with the motor. If left unattended, this problem might lead to more severe damage, potentially affecting the motor or other components, resulting in costly repairs. To fix this issue, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement blade assembly, and a pair of pliers. First, ensure your Thermomix TM31 is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by carefully removing the bowl from the base and setting it aside. Next, using your screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the device. Take your time with this step, as applying too much force could strip the screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover off. Now, locate the blade assembly within the bowl. If you see any visible damage or wear, this is likely the culprit of the grinding noise. To extract the blade assembly, use your pliers to grip it firmly, and twist gently while pulling upwards. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. Once you have removed the old blades, take your new replacement assembly and insert it carefully into the bowl, ensuring it fits snugly. After securing the new blades, reverse the disassembly steps. Replace the top cover and reinsert the screws, tightening them evenly to avoid any misalignment. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and run a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to clean the blades regularly and avoid overloading the device. This will help maintain the longevity of your Thermomix and keep it running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.